From YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to stop trophies saving video clips on your PlayStation 5. So if you go to the trophies section under like media gallery or something like that, or you may see a pop-up every time you get a trophy, well, you can easily disable this in the PlayStation 5 settings. So we can go to settings right here and then scroll on down, and we want to go to captures and broadcasts. Then we want to go to where it says captures and then go to the right and scroll on down. And we're looking for auto captures on the bottom for trophies and challenges. And we'll go to this, and then we can go to save trophy screenshots. And we can choose it based off the trophy level, or we can go to none. So if you only want to capture platinum right here, you can do that. And then we have video clips for trophies as well. And we can go to none, or we can choose the trophy level as well. So maybe you don't want all the trophies, just like the platinum or the gold ones, to have like video clips saved or screenshots saved for those. Just go to that. Then you have the trophy duration here on the bottom, 30 seconds. And what can we go up to? 30 seconds or 15 seconds. So go ahead and choose those. Maybe I'll put it to platinum. If I ever do get a platinum, probably be cool to have that saved. So I'll do the same thing for here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.